Hello everyone. So today I'm going to try this new product named Astonish Ultimate LimeScale Remover. Astonish के बहुत से products मैंने use किए हैं और सब मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आए हैं. Let me show you all the things that I'm going to clean today. ये मेरा kitchen sink का shower है. And this is my sink. इसको मैं जितना भी साफ कर लूँ, still it doesn't look very clean. Especially these corners. These corners need real cleaning. Do you see these marks on my sink? I used some local product which was recommended by the shopkeeper, and that's what it did to my sink. I'm using a gas cylinder जिसकी वजह से my stove becomes really dirty. तो अब मैंने अपने स्टोव पे Astonish Ultimate Lime Cleaner का स्प्रे कर दिया है and now I am putting it on my sink. मेरे किचन सिंक की टैप के भी बुरे हालात हैं. Let's see, finger crossed. I just hope this Astonish LimeScale Cleaner works well. Somehow the spray was not working properly. जैसे हमारे देसी स्प्रेज होते हैं जो खुल के बाहर आते हैं उस तरह से नहीं हो रहा था. तो मैंने ब्रश की मदद से स्प्रेड कर दिया प्रोडक्ट को थ्रू आउट द सिंक. After around 15 minutes, now it's time to scrub the sink. Apparently, the product requires 15 minutes to do its magic. It's time to wash the product off. I really cannot wait to see the results. So guys, without exaggeration, Astonish LimeScale Cleaner did a pretty decent job on my sink shower. The hard limescale is all gone. Even the super dirty tap looks so much better. Let me show you the condition of my sink now after washing and drying it off. Well, I have to say I'm not 100% satisfied with the sink. Though some of the stubborn limescale is gone, but I was expecting better results. But I do believe that with repeated usage, it might just do its magic. So my honest review is that it seems like a good product. Maybe if you can use it 3 to 4 times a week, then it might just do the work it is required to do. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.